our story to write through every dawn and every night. No matter what comes, no matter the fear, it's you and me this year. You and me this year. We'll take on the world. With love as our flag, our dreams unfurl. Through every high, through every low, together we'll bloom, together we'll grow. You and me this year, it's ours to create. A love so strong, it's never too late. The seasons will change, the days will fly, but with you, my love, I'll always try to make this year our best one yet. A life of love, free of regret. You and me this year, we'll take on the world. With love as our flag, our dreams unfurl. Through every high, through every low, together we'll bloom, together we'll grow. You and me this year, it's ours to create.
Maganda ko!
So strong, it's never too late. So here's to us, to what's to come, a journey of love that's just begun. You and me this year will rise under the stars, beneath the skies.
May bago!
Your name, it echoes in my soul. A part of me making me whole. Every
Well,
beat
since I
of
can,
my
since
of
the cleansing time and I do my own laundry, there is no work besides keeping me in check this job. It's very boring role with cement available a few times a day.
You're written in my heart.
Living in my heart.
Wherever you stay, through every night, through every day, like ink on pages etched so deep. In my soul, your love I keep. Written in my heart, can't be erased. In every moment, in every space. I carry you through every mile. In every tear, in every
Bye-bye guys! Nawala na tuloy yung ano ko.
we're apart, you're still right here.
Okay, have a nice day. Thank you, bro. Si Samuren, Pugong, Joanny,
Every glance
Sis Rem, Sis Sophia. It's a Thai family. Sis Sophia, Sis Raquel, Rose Life Journey, Dark, Living Art, Joanny, Sparky. Thank you, bros. Thank you for always visiting my life. Thank you, Sis Samoran, Sis Jesselyn, Ugok, thank you.
tear us apart. You're the ink, you're the art. Like poetry that lives inside, a love that won't subside. Written in my heart,